I probably shouldn't sit in this, but get on a little prissy pedal here. Oh yeah, bud. Let's go ahead and get into it. Customer came in saying it won't crank or start. And the first thing I noticed upon pulling it in is that the steering wheel kind of just comes off. Also noticed we got no power, no lights lighting up whatsoever. So hopefully my lift has enough weight capacity to safely lift this. Should be fine. A little shake check. Oh yeah, that ain't going nowhere. Make sure she's on the lock. Let's take the seat out. And now we have access to the problem. No battery in here. Here's the parts that it did come with. We got some screws in here, a charger that's not gonna work for this battery, and then this is the top cover for the original battery with a 15 amp fuse in there. So this is a 12.8 volt, 20 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery, and this is gonna last quite a long time. My plan is to have this under the seat and then have a Milwaukee M18 converter under the hood. I want to be able to turn this switch to decide what's going to power it, the Forge battery or the lithium phosphate. Nice little switch on her, bud. Got some beefcake contacts on there. I'll probably put this switch under the hood just so my daughter's not messing around with it. This will be another video, the M18 conversion with the switch. For now, we're just gonna try to get her started and working, all right? Garbage. Think we're ready to pull the dash out. Make sure to keep everything in order here. We'll set you in here. We also have a Noco Genius 10 battery charger and maintainer that I can use for not only normal vehicle batteries, but also the Disney Princess lithium phosphate battery. Very nice. We'll get into that later. So luckily all the screws are already missing. It seems like the prior owner has tried to repair this. Just firmly grasp it and pull the dash. And there we go. So we got the damaged horn wires. I got something for you. And we have this thing. A little chip there. I think this has sounds on it. Let's figure out how we're gonna get this to work. Does she even fit? We don't know. Oh, she fits. Oh yeah. That fits pretty good. I'll have to put something on top. Hold down. Loose, of course. Always loose on the hold downs. 2 pins here. Let's see if we can scavenge this. This obviously isn't gonna fit on here, but I should be able to just pop this guy out. There we go. A little bit of hot glue, Remove-A-Kiss. Come on. I'm stronger than hot glue. There she is. So we'll go ahead and take that out. Garbage. A little inline fuse action for you. Let's plug this guy in. Let's see if we got power. Oh, look at that, buds. So now the power button lights up. We've still got nothing going on, right? So, this switch is likely no good. Oh, we got some aftermarket crimp action going on there. Go ahead and disconnect her. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Whoo! Is that 4.6 liter Hemi? We got power, buds. Good power. Let's get one of these guys out. Actually found an exact replacement. There she goes. Old and busted. New hotness. Come on. There we go. Go ahead and plug in. Let's give that a go. Would you look at that, buds? Whoo! Purrs like a walrus. Ah, this button doesn't light up. That's a shame, but at least she works. Let's try it out. Oh yeah. Reverse. Check. Go ahead. Oh yeah, buds. Whoo! We're gonna be doing some Bernies in no time. Low speed. Headlights are working. We got some fog lights on her. All right. So we got Mulan. We got Little Mermaid, Cinderella, Moana. What is that, Mulan too? We got 2 Mulans. And we got another Little Mermaid over there. So, all right, buds. Easy peasy. I'm gonna keep this at the 12 volts for now. If I go to 24 volt or even just Milwaukee straight 18 volt, I'll likely need to get some thicker gauge wire for the motors, maybe some different motors, but we're just gonna get her working for the daughter for now and go from there. Smooth oil change for you, bud. Oh yeah. Let's listen to that engine purr. I'm not seeing a dipstick. A little concerning. I would definitely like to see an all-wheel drive electric Jeep Wrangler, but hey, you get what you get, right? I could install an electric steering rack. That way I could remote control it. But again, that's likely for a later video. Looking good underneath. Let's check for wheel play. Oh man, a little bit of bearing play there. Not seeing the drag links. A little confusing. Yeah, we definitely got some play in the front steering here. Yeah, we can go ahead and try to tighten up that steering linkage. Do we have suspension? We do. Okay. Struts are looking pretty good. Looking at the back, I'm not seeing any suspension. So we got rear wheel drive with no suspension, but the front does have some baby struts, so that's pretty nice. Oh, a little oil leaking from the rear differential there. We'll have to open that up, but overall, she's looking pretty good, buds. Tire tread, decent. For the horn on the steering wheel, right? We got this little chip right here that has the horn sound in it as well as the start sound. Okay, so simple switch on the steering wheel, right? We got 2 switches that should short these power and grounds together. And I found if I just do that directly, we got this strange song going on. I also noticed this gets a little warm when that occurs, but I'm Yeah. It also does that. But I'm not hearing a horn. Very strange. Well, that's not right. Oh! That was a horn. Okay. I mean, I'm not a scientist, but I don't think that's right. Let's see if the switch even works. It seems to not need the switch to trigger the sound, but that's all right. A little ohms test. Just give these a little touch. Something like that. Hit the switch. We got OL. And then we got some type of resistance. Yep, so that one works. And that one works as well. Okay. Let's go ahead and just solder that in anyway. And we will see how she goes. Torch. Might be a little overkill. Got this crack lighter. That's probably better. All right. Solder sealed connectors. Got heat shrink, solder, and wax all in one little dealie here. They're actually quite nice. How am I gonna do this? Just a little bit of fire, nothing crazy. And we're just gonna wait for that solder to melt in the middle. And we're running out of lighter juice. Come on. Come on. There she goes. Let her cool down. Need some type of object. Come here. Need some support. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. I'm not sure this is gonna work, but we'll give her a go. A little bit of fire. Try not to cook her too much, but you do want that solder to melt. Starting to melt a little bit there. There you go. Professional repair going on right there. And let's see. Yeah. We got nothing going on there. Interesting. That doesn't really make sense. We have continuity when we push these. And when we touch those wires together, it starts playing a little jingle. So, okay. I think we're gonna go with a rain check on that one, bud. What's up with that? Is that making sense to anyone? That doesn't make any sense. It's not really making much sense, I'm gonna be honest with you. Moving on. See if this will work out. Oh yeah, bud. I knew the Type R PDI front strut spring bushing protector dealie would come in handy one day. And look at her now. Oh yeah. Yeah, bud. That ain't going nowhere. A little snug down. Decent. That's looking good, buds. We're lacking on Disney Princess Jeep hardware, I'm afraid. Yeah. All right. The horn seems to have a mind of its own. All right. I ain't too mad at that, actually. I think that'll work. Let's get some of these. We're gonna go with 4 because we're gonna have to come back to that horn situation, because that is unacceptable. New horn chip for you, bud. Yeah, she starts up. Lights are working. All right, Disney Princess Jeep. Looks like you are gonna have a part 2 horn fix. But until then, I'm gonna go ahead and let my daughter drive this thing around. We're gonna see how she does. Simba. We'll go ahead and let the customer know about the electrical problem with the horn, recommend more diagnostic for that, and if approved, we'll go from there, all right? I don't know how many dollar bucks she has, but I'm sure she'll want the horn fixed. Okay. I probably shouldn't sit in this, but get on a little prissy pedal here. Oh yeah, bud. Reverse. Reverse. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of that. She's running like a dream. I think she's gonna need one of these. Oh yeah, bud. The Disney Princess Honda Jeep Wrangler.